to share one more home remedy which will very helpful to you. So my today's home remedy is about skin icing, which is also known as cold compress. As you there are questions of many people that what is skin icing or what is cold compress. So I want to share some knowledge with you, and also how to cold and how to do skin icing, and also I will share some very good benefits of it. So now I will tell you that, as the name suggests, it is applying ice on the skin to derive the benefits of the cooling agent on your skin. Also, experts believe that if you do skin icing at the regular intervals, then it will definitely leads to the very positive results to your skin. Okay, so now I will show you that how to do skin icing. As we have to take a very soft one handkerchief, or rather than handkerchief, you can also use any cotton cloth which should be not harsh to your skin of your face. So we have to take ice cubes, then open your handkerchief, and then you have to put two or three or more than that ice cubes, like this, and now you have to roll your handkerchief from the ends, and you see that your cold compress is ready. I want to tell you that never use this ice on your face directly. Always use some cloth or any handkerchief to your face, so that medium amount of coldness of ice should be go to your skin. So now you have to roll it in the circular motions on your face, like this. Don't be harsh. You can use it on your jawline, your cheeks, your it also helps to decrease your puffiness of your eyes, and also this can also be used on your forehead. This will help you to cure your skin burn, and also it helps to brighten your skin. It will give you a very cooling effect. And also I also got many DMs in which the girls are asking that how, please tell us some home tips to remove our pimples or acne. So I want to tell them that use this skin icing remedy. It will definitely help you. And if you do it at regular intervals of your daily routine, you have to use this maximum for 5 to 7 minutes only, not more than that. So it will provide you very cooling effect, and also it will be very beneficial to your skin. So ice, as the ice is the coolest thing that we loves to have in our various drinks, etc. So this also helps to cure your skin at a very fast rate, and so doing it daily will help you to cure your skin very fast, smoothen your skin. It will nourish your blemished skin. So I hope you like this video. So use this home remedy. You will definitely see the positive effects. So thank you so much. If you like it, then please share my video or like, or you can also comment. And thank you so much. So for more videos, stay connected. Thank you.